Come back. This is SS02. Now let's say you have this tax. You want to use Excel to solve this. This is invoice where you have different items. This is the column for quantity sold for each item. For item 1, 2, 3, the unit price, pen unit price 100 for item, let's say here in Nigeria, 100 naira for item 1 per unit, for item 2, 20, so on and so on. And you are to calculate the amount of each item sold. Now, what do you do to calculate the amount? All that you need to do is to multiply the quantity sold by the unit price. And as we have learned previously, we start with equal to sign, then cell C3, just simply click it, multiply by cell D3, press enter to see the answer. So the amount of item 1 sold is 500. Now, you do not need to do that for item 2, 3, 4 to 7. Now what you need to do is click that 500, place your mouse on this place. Now you get this, not this arrow, but this. Now at this point, double click is to generate the answer for all the items. Let's delete this. Now we now know the amount of each item sold. Next is to calculate the total. Once we are calculating total, you know you have to add up the amounts. You have to add up all these amounts. And as we have learned previously, you know that the formula we use to add up range of cells is equal to sum, open the brackets, starting from here, press colon, then click the last. So meaning you are going to sum from E3 to E7, E9, press enter. That's your total. Now let's assume there is VAT, value added tax. Now let's say the VAT is 1.5, for example, 1.5%. I want to calculate the VAT of 1.5 on the total. So I will say equal to 1.5% times your total. That is E10. Press enter. So that is your VAT paid. Now next, what is our new total? That is the total after VAT has been added. So we need to add the VAT to the total. So that will be equal to total, which is E10, let's plus E11. So I do not need equal to sum in this case because I'm just adding only two cells. So press enter. And that is your new total. I hope this is clear. See you in the next lesson. See you.